Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to extend the root partition or any partition on Ubuntu if you're using a non-LVM setup with the ext4 file system. First, let's see the current status. DF is disk-free and hmin show as human readable. You can see here, current storage is 45 GB, which is 13% used. Let's use parted command to see the disk details or storage details. Print free will show the unused storage. Now exit from parted. Run this command with storage location, which is devssdal, and press P for print. Here you see that the storage location is in devssdal2. Press D to delete the current partition. Partition number is, and press N to create new partition. First sector select default and last a sector also select default. Press W to write the changes we made, and again check in the storage, but still same. New command resize def is c dev ts2. And it is resized. Check the storage status again. Now you can see that the new storage size is 8 GB. I am creating the test directory for testing and creating the file inside this directory. Reboot the system. Check in the previous created directory and file. Both are here. We have successfully extended the root partition without losing any data on non-LVM or ext4 file system. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any query regarding this method or video, please let me know in comment section.